Hello everyone and welcome to part 5 of PCB making at home. Today I will drill the PCB I made in the previous 4 parts. I strongly suggest you see them, and in the next part we'll show you how to insert the components in your homemade PCB. So without any further delays, let's jump into it. We left up last time with the etched PCB, that because I was so lucky and the etchant was not working and my printer was bad, outputted not the best results. Although if you are following me here, you might have already a very cool looking result. Anyways, to drill holes in the PCB to insert the components and solder them, we obviously need a drill. You could however use a manual drill kit, but I don't recommend that at all. Plus, I don't even have one here. What I have are 2 drills, one that is uncorded and is mainly used for quick bolt insertion and drilling, operating at about 500 RPM or rotates per minute. The other here is one that is corded and could reach 32 thousandths rotate per minute. I will show you the difference right now, of course. Without a doubt, the faster one is much better in drilling. You should get a wood block like this or anything similar to drill on, so you don't destroy the table you're working on. After getting a very small drill tip, about 1 mm, we'll make a test drill to just show you the difference between this drill and the other. While drilling, try to be perpendicular as you can, so you don't break your tip. Of course, at such slow speeds, nothing is dangerous except the tip itself breaking off. Even so, it wouldn't fly towards Mars, would just break. Though you should take all of the safety measures, because as you guessed it, safety should be number 1 in your work. You should always somehow attach your PCB on your desk or on your block you're drilling on. See this demonstration. I left the PCB and accidentally it started rotating with nearly the same speed of my drill. Again, with such small and slow drill, it ain't very dangerous, but as speed goes high, your PCB might be the last thing you will ever see. It could reach very high rotating speed, shattering off or flying and causing many bad injuries. Also as a tip, if your slow drill didn't drill due to slow speed or otherwise, you could somehow break the drilling tip just a tiny bit at the end to make it more sharper. I don't really recommend this way, but it works, at least for me. Now it's the big bus time. Well, it isn't a big bus at all, it's just a small 240 watts fast drill, but it's a bus compared to the small electric drill. Here, it's not preferable to just use your hand to control the drill like I did before. Well, you can, but it might fall off a bit to the right or to the left, plus that drill only has an on/off switch and not variable like the small one. Well, it have a speed control, but the master switch is on/off. That means if something bad happened to you and left the drill, you have to switch off the drill from the master switch. It won't stop on its own. That's why I heavily suggest getting a drill stand like this one, where you could place your drill and move it slowly like this. However, some stands might be cheap and lightweight like this one, and the stand could rotate instantly, which could be more dangerous. But you will find some holes in your stand where you could attach it to the table, for example, to prevent it from that. For me, I will continue applying pressure on the base all of the time to ensure this doesn't happen. After attaching the drill properly and safely, I will again drill another hole, but this time using the fast drill. You could see, in a fraction of a second, it had already drilled. So let the job begins with this fast drill. I usually drill in the corners using a thick tip to then fix the PCB into the wood block, then start interchanging drill tip sizes according to the drill hole size inside the PCB itself. Now again, drilling is very experience and hand nature related. You might drill exactly in the middle of the bed, others may be due to handshaking and maybe vision, might even drill a hole 1 millimeter beside the hole, which is a problem. You could do a lot of dummy drilling to get the hold of it, but try to be as convenient as possible, especially while drilling IC holders or pen header holders. If you had drill holes which are wavy, not a straight line, it will be a pain to insert the components you want. I sometimes assist myself with some lines to indicate to drill a straight line as much as I can. Well, again, my luck was super cool and I couldn't even drill 2 holes in a straight line. I guess because I was putting my camera insanely close to me. I don't know, but anyways, remember to wear eye protection. Of course, continue drilling until you drilled all of your PCB pads, and be aware from all the dangerous things you could be exposed to. And with that, this video is finished. Meet you next time in the next part, having a lot of fun inserting components into the PCB. Hope you learned something new here. If you have any tips, concerns, questions, don't forget to just drop them down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and meet you in the next time.